Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to limit background processes in Android. You can speed up your phone and prevent battery drain. So this is step by step. By go to the setting first and please enable developer option. So in order to do that, you can go to the about phone and you can choose the version or build number. You can tap repeatedly the build number until the notification pop up that states your developer option is on or you are on developer mode. So after you see that, after you confirm that you get notification, you can go to the advanced setting or additional settings. You can tap it, and here you can try to search developer option. Tap it again, and as you can see, developer option is enabled. Here you can try to search how you can limit background. You can scroll down until you can find background limit. So there are some options that you can learn one by one. This is very important to make your phone is like more or smarter than you think. And this is the network, HD audio, input drawing here, hardware accelerated rendering, media monitoring. This is the apps. Under the apps you can find background process limit. By default it's standard limit. If you tap it, there are some options here like no background processes. You can choose this, but every time you close the apps, you after the apps will automatically close at all. Or you can at most 1 processes, 2 processes, 3 processes, at most 4 processes. So maybe you want to speed up your phone and prevent battery drain, you can choose at least 2 processes or at most 2 processes. So this is how you can limit your background process on Android device. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click text button below. See you in the next video.